In correcting this menace, we may have the necessary support from our
Thutha wa maumirira ma kigeranio gya KCPE kurekererio ni kumana Gikeno na nduhiu icigo-ini itiganite, arutwo aciari na arimu magikenerera maumirira ma ciana ciao. Mwena wa Thika, mwana omwe waciaritwo atakinyaniirie ikiro na gwikira aciari yake kieha kia muturire. Emmanuel Ojenga ndanetikira gukorwo uri kihinga giake gya kwaga kuhituka kigeranio gya KCPE thutha wa kwigwatira marks 445 maumirira-ini ma kigeranio kia mwaka uyu. Maya magithiaga na mbere gikeno kia murutwo Olive Wachira arutwo na aciari yake thukuru-ini wa Riara gitinahithika thutha wake kwigwatira marks 453 na kumira ari ta murutwo uria wikite wega guothe bururi-ini na mberia manyitanire marieri. Murutwo ya kiuga ni kumana na wirutiri wake hamwe na kunyitirirwo ni arutwo na aciari yake kuracungiriirie we kuhituka kigeranio giake.
The teachers, they were always there to help us and just guide us on whatever we did, and if we went wrong, they'd be there to correct us.
Na kuo mwena wa Kakamega thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Kakamega Hill School maundu matiuma ngurani, aciari na arutani magikenerera ruri na Kesh uria onake unyitite marks 453 na gukorwo ari umwe wa arutwo aria mekite wega kigeranio-ini gya KCPE kia mwaka uyu.
Siri ya hapa maombi kwa Mwenyezi Mungu, na walimu wanafanya kazi kwa bidii, na watu wote hata wa jikoni wanafanya kazi kwa bidii.
Making sure I was born of parents who valued education. They made sure that my school fees was paid in time. I would also like to thank my teachers for being my role models.
Na kuo mwena wa Gilgil thukuru-ini wa St. Peter's Elite maundu ma kuhanaga otau thutha wa Enari Ryan kwigwatira marks 437 undu uria wonekire gukenererwo na njira nene. Maundu ma kuhanaga otau thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa teknoloji mwena wa Murang'a kuria Mik Muchoki uria onake uma na marks 437 agikenererwo ni aciari, arimu ona arata.
I've worked hard as pupils. Our teachers have helped us in school. Our parents as well at home. They have guided us through our revision. They have motivated us.
KCPE 2018 netwekete wega muno tondu nitwa break record ya mwana uria the best. Last year mwana best ari 36 ari muiretu 436 ari muiretu, mwaka uyu twina 437 and this is a boy.
Na kuo mwena wa Githunguri kaunti-ini ya Kiambu thukuru-ini wa Pleasant View maundu ma gutaria otau thutha wa nuthu ya arutwo thukuru-ini uyu gukorwo makinyitie marks 400 guthii na iguru, guku murutwo wa mbere akigwatira marks 426.
Keria Ngai ngatho, ndacokeria arimu na aciari akwa ni gutwika supportive muno.
Gite wega nigetha kirathi kiroka ga 2019 tugeka wega na bado no turathi na mbere ginya the system ino njeru ya CBC na no tuminyitite baru.
Kuringana na Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed, gutirari na uici wa kigeranio kia mwaka uyu kuona no arutwana marakanjirwo kigeranio kiao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.